Welcome to the Magnet Vehicle Factory. Let's build some amazing trucks today.
Look! A red frame. Clack! What are we making?
1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. Spin and snap. Add the cabin and a long ladder. It's a RED fire truck. Vroom! The fire truck is alive! Wee-woo, wee-woo! Next up, a deep BLU frame snaps into place. Clack.
Add the fast wheels and the flashing siren lights. Awesome!
Go, BLUE police car. Zoom down the track. Time for heavy machines. A bright white YELOO frame.
Look at those big, strong, heavy tracks. Click, click.
Connect the big digger arm. Now it can scoop.
Rumble, rumble! The yellow excavator is moving out. Here comes another one. An orange cabin. Snap.
Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 giant wheels.
Put on the big dump bed. It's an orange dump truck.
Zoom! Dumping out the fun. Orange power!
Let's go to the farm. A bright G-Re-N frame. Clack.
2 small wheels in the front, 2 huge wheels in the back.
Add the tall exhaust chimney. Chug, chug, chug. Green tractor. Chugga, chugga, bounce, bounce. The green tractor is off to work.
Put on the helpful white cross and 4 shiny wheels. Perfect.
Here goes the pink ambulance, helping friends everywhere. P&K.
Wow! The factory is going into mega turbo mode. Let's build together. Red. Yellow. Blue. 3 frames at the same time. Clack, clack, clack.
Look at all the wheels flying. Spin, spin, snap.
Wow! Add the ladder, the arm, and the siren. 1, 2, 3. Built. Ready, set, Geo. 3 vehicles dropping down the ramp.
Down the spiral tunnel we go. Around and around. So fast. Jump across the factory. Look at those beautiful color trails. Incredible. We built 5 amazing vehicles on the magnet wall today. You did a great job. See you next time. Bye-bye.